morning to you all Biafrans. I must thank you all and I must appreciate you for standing tall with the United States of Biafrans. Most of you that are here, I just want you to understand that I will always come here to tell you nothing but the truth and to give you the gist the way it is. And then please, like for those of you who are following Madam Mongode Oraboeze, I would like you to continue to do so because that is the right government and there is no other government. Apart from USB, any other government is fraud and false. So today I want to show you the...
Hello, my wonderful people. Welcome to Global Love Channel TV, where we bring you the latest happening around the globe. Yes, I'm back again with the latest news. My people, do well to watch this video. Watch this very video. Don't skip any part of this video because this video is worth watching. It will make your day very awesome. It will beautify your day. Yes, watch this video to the very end so that you will see the kind of atrocities, the evil the Nigerian government are championing to her citizens. Yes, if a man called the Gumi is working freely in this country called Nigeria without anybody calling his arrest, then tell me, what do you think that Nigeria is all about? Please, my wonderful people, do well to watch this video. Watch the video so that you will see what I'm saying, because it's not only by talking, you will see it by yourself, because this country called Nigeria is nothing but a terrorist country. Yes, and not anyone can do to convince me that Nigeria is not a terrorist country. It's a terrorist country because they did not mean well to her citizens. They did not even acknowledge that the life of the citizen is more important than any other thing. All they care is their own selfish interest. Please, my wonderful people, do well to watch the video to the very end of it. Don't skip any part of this video because it's worth watching. Yes, as you are watching, don't forget to touch a hand for subscribe button, like and spread this message, and do well to touch a hand for notification bell so that whenever we upload the new video, you'll be the first person to be notified. And don't forget that an injustice for one is an injustice for all. Always stand by the side of truth because it's only the truth the world shall know peace.
President of Nigerian son sitting with a terrorist. Now, most of you know who Gumi is. Gumi is the man that first of all said that give Igbos gun to kill IPOP. Give Igbos gun to kill IPOP. What does that mean? Give Igbos gun to kill Igbos. That's what it means. This is the same man who goes as far as negotiating with the terrorists in the forest to release the people that they have gone to kidnap in villages. And this same man goes back to the government, presidents, governors, and liaise with them for how much they are going to give to these terrorists in their forest. Now, why I call the Tinubu's administration terrorists is for this reason. You cannot have a terrorist negotiator around you and then you turn around to call the Igbos terrorists. So, Biafrans, I want you to understand that whatever these people are doing, we are watching them with our two eyes. We are watching them. Tinubu will remain a terrorist. He will remain a drug lord that he is and a certificate forger that is always known him for. We are not scared of telling Tinubu who he is. And more also, we want to tell General Christopher Musa, your days are counting down to remove all your terrorist army and the IG of police, remove all your policemen in our land. And most especially, for the first time, I'm going to tell Asari Dokubo to remove all your terrorists in our soil, because very soon we will match them fire for fire. We are saying this for the world to understand where we are coming from, because you cannot be in our land and kill our people and go scot-free. It will never happen again. Now, I'm going to show you the video of our what is it called? Illegitimate president's son sitting with a terrorist negotiator. A man that goes to the forest to negotiate with terrorists. A man that goes there and sits with the terrorists and come and negotiate with them. There were some girls that they are arrested in Chibok, and this man was their intermediary within the terrorists and the government, and now is working freely. Why our leader Nnamdi Kanu, who stood his ground on getting Biafra, is being kidnapped from Kenya and detained illegally in DSSS facility. Today, what is happening? All the people that are talking rubbish about Nnamdi Kanu, that if Simon Ekpa does not cease fire, Nnamdi Kanu would have been out. Bianco Onowu came out, or Ojukwu came out and said, oh, the reason why Nnamdi Kanu has not been released is because of the activities of Simon Ekpa. Now Simon Ekpa is no more in the picture. What is happening? The Nigerian terrorist government are looking for every avenue to nail, to jail, and to even kill our supreme leader. But God will not allow that to happen. And we will fight Nigeria with everything we've got. Everything we've got. If Nnamdi Kanu is not released, we don't care what you people are thinking. We don't care what you believe in. We will fight Nigeria like never before. We are not threatening the country. We are not threatening the sovereign nation. But you know that you Nigerian government are in a sovereign nation killing our people. And we said enough is enough. We will rise to the occasion, and you will see how determined we are to leave that contraction called Nigeria. If you know what is good for you, allow the Igbos to go. So watch this video.
Distinguished ladies and gentlemen, our August visitor has no much.
Fellow Biafrans, the message fall back Briggy is a message from the pit of hell. It's a message of humiliation and a message of deceit. Fall back to Briggy has a lot of implications. Ogenkere and his co-travelers were not happy when Biafra was declared, when United States of Biafra was declared. You can hear him say that what can he tell whoever that United States of Biafra was declared before time. And I know he was addressing his paymasters to listen to him. What are the implications of fall back to Briggy? Fall back to Briggy means that United States of Biafra is no more existing. Fall back to Briggy means that we, the United States of Biafra, has mortgaged their freedom. Fall back to Briggy means the United States of Biafra is no more in existence. Fall back to Briggy means the United States of Biafra is not moving forward. Fall back to Briggy means that all the effort the United States of Biafra had put together to move forward is all in vain. So fellow Biafrans, be articulate. And I know that the real Biafrans are intelligent. All this group of morons cannot and will not deceive the intelligent ones. Look at the summation of people that are passing information. People who are not brilliant. People who cannot read. People who cannot do anything that is reasonable in anything conviction. Still, they want to sell this dummy to a nation that's more than 70 million. It is a disgrace for whoever is disseminating this information. So if you are one of them, desist from this rubbish. Desist from this rubbish. If you don't have brain, borrow brain. If you don't have brain, borrow brain and think. Thank you.
Happening life in Okigwe, happening life in Okigwe, Abumulala, happening life in Okigwe, Abumulala. Ebubago, happening life in Okigwe, Abumulala. Nederane, Chimotako. Après la finale, qui va boum lolo, de run. Viens de now. Tell ya. Moti beauty. De run. Kimotako. Put on fire. Huh? Put on fire. Kimotako, why not? Yeah. Timotako. Yeah, but. We put on. Oba. Damotanso. Big up, big up pump that. Yeah, now. Après la finale.
Can I make a life for my happy in a honey and run there? I make a life at our key, grab a lot of key. Also, never go free now. Even under Robin, I'm MPs 170,000 and has a Muji loud in Apa because of Lad and Mangualana, because of Guinea. Abagomuto Hawkuna, Yota, also. I said,
This is the kidnappers that has been kidnapping our people in Okigwe State. The JTF, the Nigerian JTF, that is keep killing and kidnapping and selling the organs of our people. So the Asawana boys, the Asaredokobo boys, that is terrorizing the Okigwe axis, that is terrorizing the areas in Okigwe, Abumlola, around this Gundo, all those target base that are terrorizing around these communities. This we engage them. The men on ground engage them. There is time for everything. We engage them man to man, and you can see the result through the video. On a live and direct. Today being Sunday. 9th of March 2025. Abomololo precisely. The JTF, we are neutralizing them. The men on ground are neutralizing the JTF. There's no terrorism. We are not going to allow any terrorist, any Asawana, any Bubago, any Okiso, any Caterpillar in any form. We are not going to tolerate that. The men on ground, all hail to General Butozo, all hail to General Gentokila, all hail to Biafra Liberation Army, all hail to Biafra Resistance Fighters, all hail to Biafra Defense Forces, and all Biafrans that are working assiduously for the total restoration of Biafra.